I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: Java 17 or newer and a freshly generated Spigot. Jar. Run build tools, then move the produce Spigot. Jar into a dedicated server folder. Once done, launch the jar to create config files and the plugins folder. Accept the EULA by editing EULA. TXT to true. Make sure to allocate RAM with XMX and XMS flags when starting the server so plugins have headroom. This gets the environment ready for installing plugins immediately. Now you install plugins. Pick versions that match your Spigot build and drop each. Jar into the plugins folder. Restart the server so each plugin generates its configuration directory. Once loaded, stop the server and open plugin config files. Tweak permissions, world names, and feature toggles to fit your gameplay goals. Make sure to set up a permissions plugin like Luck Perms early because many plugins rely on permissions. Once configured, restart and verify commands and features work as expected. Finish by testing each plugin thoroughly in-game and monitoring the server console for errors or stack traces. Once done, schedule regular backups and snapshot the world before major plugin updates so you can roll back if needed. If a plugin fails, disable it, check its config, and confirm dependencies like Vault or specific API versions. One key troubleshooting tip: enable debug or verbose logging for the plugin and reproduce the issue. Logs will show missing dependencies or config syntax errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.